Just a quick reminder to download your free wallpapers in the first link in the description. Now, according to Ice Universe on Twitter, the software department of Samsung is developing One UI 6.1.1 for the Galaxy Z Flip series, featuring a key innovation which is Video AI. It's unclear what Video AI entails. It could be an object removal tool for videos. It might also generate videos from text prompts or be something else. Only time will tell. The next for today is that there is an update about the colors of the phone. Previously we said that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come in light blue, light green, silver and yellow. But according to Russ Young on Twitter, light green is now called mint and the silver is now silver shadow. In addition to new low volume colors which are crafted black, peach and white. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. As for release date, a while ago it was revealed that Samsung will have its second Unpacked event for this year in early July. But today, according to Sam Mobile, Samsung has chosen July the 10th as the date for the event, and Paris will be the location of the event. And if you want to know what we know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.